أنا كمريت لو كفون وقت شو بالوانتي بهوريا فرعت كمرهبا أنا ما يبغى استنتفاض مهم ما راجع كنوني ما عليك كم كرت تبقى سينغا مهم حركات تكابه إما فوق معلومات بدن ثرنا يبغى نستين إذا ما مهاي صاحب مسم بدل كودني ورا ساس ما عليك را إذا ما هم جفا ورا هاس إيفنت كاغولي قطم أنا كورين دوس فاه كلا فينا تماشي كدوس كاريو مغنى تياكو تماشي كدوها ولدن ورا باور ورا جينا حركات تكرر هم راوهين كو هم جفا إبغى Gusto ko lang sa badal ko lang niya ma. Ang faha ko lang resort takong wala gina mikha kang kabis na lang haso ko timawit wala gina kanta take ko de kam sar ma before to ka faha ko lang che. Gusto John Case resort ke sa ma wala gina faha wala alman nang wala gina ngalu ama wala muhim timawit ta gulu ngani wala hasa harakat lang budu singa resort ke gusto ma me resort ngani kas me ti exhibition ni bew mang hama chifa me exhibition abe me fahu ko malumat me mamunda tayar takabe me fahu ko malumat padantre nang Yenistil mata काम है सब बदल को लेनी तो उनके इस resort के फरातुंग resort के specialist sustainability and processes covering कारुणे से करा. How are you, sir?
Very good, thank you.
Welcome to the show. Can you tell us to the viewers what is the aim of this exhibition and a little introduction also?
Yeah, well, John Keel Small Resorts is basically a hospitality-based company, and we do our main core area is providing the operations, doing management of the resorts. But of course, what we believe in our business is it's not just one side, not just making the profits.
Yes.
We do believe in the triple bottom line approach. That means not just economic. We do think about the environmental aspect as well as the society side. So environment, economic side, of course, we need to think about the profits and all.
Yes.
And while doing that, we need to think about the environment. Whether we are taking care of the environment, whether we are protecting it, and mainly society also, because we are mainly working with them. So whatever the things that we are doing in our operations would affect the society, the large community around us.
Yes.
So what we think is it's not just doing just the business. We need to think about our stakeholders such as community, and we need to improve their awareness on the environmental side as well as, because Maldives is a really beautiful country, and if we can do some, if we can contribute in such a way so that they will improve their awareness, it would be much more beneficial for the country as such. So it will they will think about the environment whenever they do something, they will start to think about it. So mainly we wanted to target the school children, because this is the time period where anyone's mind frame can be changed in a good way.
Yes.
So we are mainly targeting the school students as well as the university students, college students also, and we are trying to improve their awareness and trying to get them also on board on this environmental aspect.
Okay. Is this the first time you are organizing an event like this?
Well, for annually we are doing this World Environment Day project, but must say this time it's like in a much more bigger amplitude, because what we were doing last time was just taking the nearby schools into the event, and we do kind of a considerable good event. But this time we basically tied up with the Ministry of Environment and Energy. We had a chat with them, and we managed to get their consent, and we worked together, and we managed to communicate all the schools in Male as well as communicated to all the nearby island schools of our resorts. And afterwards we had a meeting also with most of the principals of these schools, and yeah, right now we have presented the deadlines and all, and actually today is the deadline for that, and on 5th of June, that is the World Environment Day, we will be celebrating it. So it's not just one, this is not actually the first time we are doing it. So this is annual event that we are doing, but this time it's in a the magnitude is much more bigger.
Coming back to the exhibition, tell us about the venue and the time and everything about the exhibition.
Yes, so as I told you, today is the deadline for this thing, and afterwards, after the evaluation of this, on 5th of June at 10 a.m. we will be starting the opening ceremony of it,
Yes.
where the Environment Minister as well as the United Nations Educational Program Deputy of the world, she also will be coming, and after their presence, we'll be commencing this exhibition, and that means on 5th of June, and it will be until on 8th of June also.
5th to 8th,
5th
right?
to 8th June, you'll be able to come to the National Art Gallery and see how talented the Maldivian students are.
Okay. And I believe that me organizing like event like this will take up. There are so many people you would like to thank also. What are the people?
Yes,
Is there
of
any-
course, I need to
Okay.
thank Ministry of Environment and Energy, because of course without their consent or without their assistance, it won't be possible.
Okay.
Because of them, it was so easy for us to communicate and reach up to the schools, and because they being there, it has been kind of easy from that side to communicate to all the schools. And apart from that, I would like to thank from our side, our head of operations, Mr. Suraj Pereira, for guiding us in all the aspects, and all the managers and all the executives mainly, and all not just that, because all our associates, all the employees who are working, because of course they'll be helping this event out in a larger proportions, and without them this won't be a success. So of course by 5th we can see the fruits of these efforts, and hopefully all of these people's efforts would be shown on that day.
Okay. What are the challenges you face during organizing events like this?
Well, they have actually last year also I tried to do something like this. Just tried really kind of hard to. It was I just went to the many ministers and all, and this time I was successful in conducting this. Anyway, so there was no actually like a big challenges as such, but anyway, that's just that you need to make the links, and you need to get to know the people and get that network right, so that the event as such a big magnitude would work out.
Okay. End of the exhibition, is there any prize or award?
Of course, there are large amount of prizes, very attractive prizes that we are giving out. We are giving tabs, we are giving printers, we are giving surround systems, external hard drives, pen drives, and also very attractive outings at our resorts, the nearby resorts, Isle and Donville. So the prices are so attractive. I guess from the Maldivians, the response from them was massive. I've been getting many calls since the day it was published, and so actually it has. I guess the prices are really attractive this time also. Anyway, hope to continue the same thing and also improve what we are doing right now. So yeah, hopefully we don't have the count of we'll be getting this much of these things up to now, because today is the deadline. Today by afternoon we'll be getting to know about the numbers, and yeah, then we can see actual results, how it has gone.
Okay. Is there anything you would like to highlight before the end of this conversation?
Because the thing is, actually, as I told you, the main idea of this program is to improve the awareness of the Maldivian students. So because I've seen some lacking areas where we can improve on. Well, this year's main theme is to reduce the food waste and all. So not just food waste. I can see many instances where there are so many times that I have seen negligence among people, where they just throw the garbage everywhere, because it's a kind of a really vulnerable environment we have here. Really, if something small goes wrong, this environment will be in a big problem. So just I guess all the people need to know about this system, how this thing works, and need to think by each and everything that they are doing that would affect the environment. So from this program, the main target would be that to improve the awareness of the people, so that their mindset would be in such a way that they will think about the environment in whatever the things that they do, starting from usage of the energy, the water, without wasting all these things. They try to minimize the wastages, and also whenever you are putting out the garbage, just doing it properly in the right way. So these kind of things, if we can make the people's mindset in such a way, of course together we can make Maldives much more beautiful country.
Yeah. Thank you for coming and sharing this information with us. We hope that this event is going to be a successful one.
Thank you very much. I would like to also thank Villa TV also providing this opportunity so that we can communicate more about this event. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's our pleasure. Anama demi dini sini mami timashik duha godigen timavetta ngama ituru kamekko dinum goten timavetta mi hungelun ter kuruma gotum belun terinang ngama mi kure vidanuniam belun terin ituru mawdu matteke liben kamang almen ummid kura kal exhibition ka be muhim mawdu matteke mi exhibition abe muhim mawdu matta divisa masho ke fahuge hisabe ke sarunte be funa hisa kollan ehne mes kuda husakutu kolaka phone kas badal kollan